narito ang puso ko, inaalay lamang sa'yo. Aking pangarap, kahit saglit ang ikaw at ako'y magkapiling. Minsan pa makita ka, damdamin ay sumasaya, lungkot napapawi, buhay ko'y umiti sa sandaling pag-ibig mo'y makapiling. Puso ko'y narito, naghihintay sa pag-ibig mo. Ikaw lamang ang inasal. Tanggapin mo ang puso ko hanggang matapos ang kailanman. Bawat kilos mo at galaw, minamasdan, tinatanaw, laging nangangarap. Kahit saglit ang ikaw at ako'y magkapiling. Puso ko'y narito, naghihintay sa pag-ibig mo. Ikaw lamang ang inasal. Tanggapin mo ang puso ko hanggang matapos ang kailanman. Kahit di malaman o maintindihan, kahit pa masugatan ng puso, maghihintay sa'yo, maghihintay ako. Puso ko'y narito, naghihintay sa pag-ibig mo. Ikaw lamang ang inasal. Tanggapin mo ang puso ko. Puso ko'y narito, naghihintay sa pag-ibig mo. Ikaw lamang ang inasal. Tanggapin mo ang puso ko. Tanggapin mo ang puso ko hanggang matapos ang
for that wonderful performance, Mr. Oliver Canapoles of
Hello, Mr.
Independencia,
Oliver.
Tacloban City.
Kumusta?
Hello, sir.
at
Ay,
least-
dito. Ay,
Yes. Excited ako marinig kung ano sasabihin ng mga judges natin for his performance tonight.
This
Yes.
is your second performance.
Second performance.
Same song ba yung kinanta mo or iba naman siguro?
Iba naman natin.
Iba naman. And how do you feel? Mas confident ka ba ngayong gabi compared nung first na nag-join ka dito? Nung first kang nag-perform sa Imita
Ewan ko lang
Idol?
kasi, nagkalagnan po kasi ako ng last Saturday, kaya hindi ko alam kung makasatisfy ako sa mga judges.
Ah.
Okay.
Pero I think nag-enjoy ka naman and
Oo, okay
yung
naman.
confidence level niya.
Oo
okay.
nga.
Nakabigay naman ako ng performance na.
Okay, very good. All right, let's hear it from our judges. Let's start with Sir Clark Gervaso.
Hi, Oliver.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Okay. So far, parang wala akong masabi. Ano lang.
Thank you, sir.
Kasi andun na yung emotion, yung breathing, yung pag-connect, dynamics. May dynamics ka. Diba?
Yes, sir.
Amazing yung control mo. Very
Thank you,
nice.
sir.
Very nice. Yung
Thank you, sir.
control. Then, tingnan na lang natin. Later.
Let's see
Basta.
what will happen.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Sir Clark.
Congrats.
Mr. Anjay?
Hello, sir. Sir. Ayan, si Oliver. Familiar team na akong ano.
Familiar.
Oo, so wala din ako masabi actually. Pero siguro, one of your strengths siguro is yung high range mo. Parang hindi ka natatakot na talagang lumipad yung boses mo. So it's, kumbaga an advantage din eh. And then, yes, you know how to use the stage. Parang kitang-kita ko na talagang medyo matagal ka nang nagpe-perform. Oo, and sabi pa nga ni Sir Leoncio, amazing yung control mo, yung modulation. Pero siguro if ever lang meron akong sasabihin, no, I think you have to work on with us. You have to work on with your vibrato.
Yes.
Yes.
Oo, with the vibrato, parang feeling ko, kailangan mas obvious pa siya. Alam mo yun, kasi it's a ballad song eh.
Yes, sir.
So, kailangan mas, alam mo yung may
Sir.
cuts
Yes,
talaga.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yung ibig sabihin. So, you have to work on with the vibrato kasi medyo shaky yung dating ng
Yes, sir.
dating niya. So, yun lang. At saka sa modulation, minsan, I don't know, medyo dapat mas precise pa yung, siguro pag kinokontrol mo yung boses mong masyado, may tendency lang na parang, alam mo yun, very
yes.
minimal lang naman.
Yes, sir.
Pero, yun, maganda lahat. So, I was impressed also. So, congratulations.
Thank you so much, Mr. Anjay. Sir...
Sir Andre,
Romeo?
magkasalita pa lang ako.
Sabi niya si Sir Leoncio.
Anyway, you are
Oliver.
Oliver
Cal-
Can.
Oliver.
Napoles.
Oliver Napoles, no? This is my second time to see and hear
Yes,
your
sir.
singing. And ganun din, I also echo the sentiments of the other judges, no? Especially that you have your natural gift, no? The vocal strength is there, and the emotional intensity, actually, from the beginning up to the very end, you were very consistent in illuminating that emotional connection, no? All throughout the song. I have a piece of advice, okay?
Sir.
Because I know the song very well, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Well, I play it on the piano, and when I play it on the piano, I have varied interpretations, no? So, for instance, when you climb the notes, no, each time you sing, Ikaw lamang ang inasam, it doesn't have to be always loud.
Yes, sir.
Because how many times do you sing that? It's like 3 or 4 or 5.
Kadua pala, sir.
No, that part there.
okay,
The
sir.
part,
Katulo, sir.
ikatulo or,
Yes.
yeah. So, when you sing that song, you try to vary the intensity of this vocal section, no? Because
sir.
you will reserve the highest one, the one where you really bubuga ka talaga,
Yes, sir.
yung sa huli.
Yes, sir.
In other words, you can sing those high notes in piano, meaning to say in soft.
Yes, sir.
Mas maganda siya at pakinggan din para may variation ang iyong interpretation, no?
Aba,
Because
sir.
interpretation is not only about emotion, it will also manifest in the vocal
Yes, sir.
power. Okay, and secondly, yung mga embellishments mo, they're very they're very original, in some ways. Sino ba yung ano mo dito?
Wala, sir.
Did you base it from Gary Vee or it does?
There, sir. Bagan, kuhan laya, bagan, ginrindi siya nagapaya, sir.
The minus one is
giniba-iba
okay.
na lang, sir.
The minus one is from whom?
Yes, sir.
Is it also from?
Nagkuhan lang ka internet, nag-search,
Okay.
then I rearrange na lang ang mga
Rearrange
score.
siya, no? Kasi it sounds different. And
Yes, sir.
the embellishments nga, you have a tendency to really make it your own. Yun lang, because it's a pop song. When it's a pop song, it's really known to many ears. So, just be careful when you have so many embellishments. Baka ma-misinterpret siya.
Yes, sir.
No?
Okay,
Huwag kang sumasobra na. Yung ganun ba? Pero hindi
Okay, sir.
naman. Ano lang, a little caution lang doon sa mga embellishments. But overall nga, you have this vocal control, sabi ni Sir Anjay, ni Sir Corvoso. You're a perfect package and you have that star quality.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
Thank you so
and
much, Dr.
Congratulations.
Colobio. Anong masabi mo sa comments ni Dr.
Judges.
Colobio?
Thank you so much and
Judges
mga
na.
advice. I will take it as a stepping stone para sa sunod na singing contest na akong bubuligan. Thank you.
May mga kasama ka, shoutout naman dyan. Go ahead.
Hi, Inday. May akon
mga supporters nyo.
Then,
Wow, hi,
kan
Inday.
Mamela, Espanya. Hi.
Alright.
So, yun. Shoutout lang.
Alright, thank you so much. Otherwise, Oliver
Oliver.
Canapolis of Independencia, Tacloban City. Yun, ganun pala yun, no? Yung mga comments natin, mga judges.